Ghana fried chicken recipe is on a bill of it today, and this, oh my goodness, was so nice. You will love it. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get right into it. So I have with me here my cockerel. I'll go ahead and then cut them into cut it into the sizes that I want. Okay, so the cockerel is a young male chicken. Okay, nti akokɔ bɛmma ɔno ɔhyɛ dɛ nyi bi asa ɔho ne din ɛna yɛakyekyere de asoa yɛ tiri so saa sɛ yɛfrɛ no cockerel. I'll go ahead and cut it according to the sizes or how many sizes I want. Okay, then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others. Leave me your comment in the comment section, like the video, and please, if you haven't subscribed or yet followed, can you please smash on the subscribe button and then the follow for more videos? It is absolutely free. So after cutting the thigh, I'll go ahead and then cut the other side. Okay, I am done cutting it. I'll go ahead and then cut the hand as well, just like how you are seeing on the screen. So if you don't want your chicken to be messy, just watch how I am doing it, and trust me, you will love it. I actually made this video for my short videos, okay, but I decided later to add it to this video. That is why it is very close to the camera, so I am very sorry for that. Okay, it's not easy. Yes, it is not easy to film for the short version and then the long form videos. I mean, it is not easy. So please, today, just enjoy it for me like that. Now this is where we've gotten to. I am just separating the backbone and then the breast. Okay, so I will separate it, and after separating it, I divided the breast into two, and then divided the backbone also into two. So cut it according to the sizes that you want. If you want it in 16, the pieces, yes. So with a thigh, I divided the thigh from the drumsticks, and that gave us 4, okay, in all. And then after I was done, I separated the thigh from the feet, okay, and the feet is also 2. So just do it according to the pieces that you want. I have been saying sizes from the beginning of the video till now, so what I meant was the pieces. Okay, yeah, so I'll go ahead and then cut the toenails, and then we can proceed. So I actually don't use the head. Okay, so with the wings, I divided it into 2 as well, so we are going to get 4 there. I still have some code, so the way I'm speaking, please pardon me for that. Okay, so after I finish dividing that, I will do the same thing to the other side, and then we can continue. Now I have succeeded separating it, so I'll just go ahead and then cut that part away, and then we can proceed. I will do the same thing to the other part, so there's no need to show you that as well after I am done. Now I am done with everything. I'll go ahead and wash it, and then use the one we are going to use for this recipe. I have added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions. I added some rosemary and some herbs, basil to it. Added my seasoning, salt, and now we are going to allow it to cook very well. After some minutes, this is how it looks. Okay, it was very hard meat, so I boiled it or cooked it for a bit longer, and now we are going to remove this from the fire and then strain the stock from it. And then now I have my oil on fire. I am just going to start frying the chicken, and then we are good to go. So just drop it in like this, and when you are dropping it, please be very careful so that you don't hurt yourself. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for spending some time with me. I didn't take it for granted. I had to talk louder right now because the place is noisy. Okay, I can hear some noise, so that is why I'm shouting on top of my voice. Yeah, so I will leave them in the oil and then wait for some time, and then when it is ready for us to flip, we can go ahead and do so. Now it is ready, and we will go ahead and then flip it to the other side. It is not easy to create content though. I have to shout on top of my voice because the place is absolutely noisy. Now after I flip it to the other side, we are going to wait again for the other side to fry perfectly. And after some few minutes, oh my goodness, this is how our chicken is looking. So good. Chicken, yes, it is very small. I won't wait for you to say it in the comment section. It is very small, but you will see it plenty very soon. Thank you so much, you see. So I come your way next time. Take good care of yourself and love yourself first. Remember to eat healthy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.